culmination of India's tireless efforts in lunar exploration is manifesting in the remarkable Chandrayaan-3 mission, a voyage of discovery that has ushered in an exciting new chapter in humanity's quest to unravel the secrets of the Moon. This mission, spearheaded by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, represents a monumental leap forward, not only for India but for the entire global space community, igniting a fervour of anticipation and curiosity that resonates far beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Chandrayaan-3 stands as a testament to the remarkable progress made by ISRO, building upon the legacy of its predecessors, Chandrayaan 2 and 3. While these missions laid the groundwork by mapping the lunar surface and attempting a soft landing, Chandrayaan-3 carries the hopes of a successful touchdown on the Moon's surface, a goal that embodies India's unwavering determination and scientific ingenuity. Equipped with sophisticated instruments and cutting-edge technology, Chandrayaan-2 is designed to explore the Moon's south pole, a region rich in mysteries and potential resources, including water ice, which holds the key to sustaining future human settlements and long-term lunar missions. The mission's success will not only deepen our understanding of the Moon's geology and composition, but also pave the way for international collaborations in space exploration. As Chandrayaan-3 journeys through the void between Earth and Moon, millions watch with bated breath, inspired by a vision that transcends borders and cultures. This mission symbolizes the collective human spirit, a relentless pursuit to push boundaries, to seek knowledge, and to stand united in the face of the cosmos's vast unknown. In the grand tapestry of space exploration, Chandrayaan-3 is a shining thread, weaving together past triumphs and future possibilities. It heralds an era where emerging space powers contribute invaluable knowledge, inspiring generations to dream bigger and reach farther. As the lander prepares to touch the lunar surface, we are reminded that exploration is not just about discovery, it is about hope, resilience, and the shared destiny of all humankind. Chandrayaan-3 invites us to look upward with wonder, to celebrate human achievement, and to embark on the next great adventure that awaits us on the Moon and beyond. Boundaries dissolve as the saga of Chandrayaan-3 unfolds, a remarkable testament to human ingenuity, technological prowess, and the unquenchable thirst for knowledge that propels our species to traverse the uncharted reaches of space. This mission encapsulates the very spirit of exploration, inviting us all to witness the unfolding mysteries of the Moon in unprecedented detail. The captivating sequence of images unveiled by Chandrayaan-3 speaks volumes about the journey from curiosity to discovery. Each frame, carefully captured by the sophisticated instruments aboard the spacecraft, reveals the lunar surface with increasing clarity and nuance. The Moon's ancient craters, once mere shadows on a distant orb, now emerge vividly, etched with intricate details shaped over billions of years. As these breathtaking snapshots cascade across screens worldwide, they do more than just showcase geological features. They ignite the collective imagination of humanity. They remind us of our enduring desire to push beyond familiar horizons and to decipher the cosmic story written across the Moon's surface. Every crater, ridge, and shadow tells a tale of cosmic collisions, volcanic activity, and the subtle dance of celestial bodies through time. The images from Chandrayaan-3 are not just scientific data, they are symbols of a grand human endeavour, a clarion call to future explorers and dreamers. They underscore the profound significance of this mission, not only as a scientific achievement, but also as a cultural milestone that brings the world closer through shared wonder. Through Chandrayaan III, India has firmly etched its place in the annals of space exploration, demonstrating that the quest to understand our celestial neighbour transcends national boundaries. It is a story of collaboration, perseverance and visionary thinking that unites humanity in the pursuit of knowledge. As the mission progresses, each new discovery fuels our aspirations, pushing us closer to answering timeless questions about the moon's origins, its resources, and its role in the broader cosmic landscape. Chandrayaan-3, with its trailblazing vision, beckons us forward toward a future where the moon is not just a distant object in the night sky, but a stepping stone for deeper exploration of the universe. In this journey, we find inspiration to dream boldly, explore fearlessly, and embrace the infinite possibilities that await us beyond our earthly home. Chandrayaan-3's groundbreaking achievement in executing a controlled soft landing on the moon's surface is poised to etch India's name in the annals of history as a pioneering force in lunar exploration. This historic milestone resonates deeply with the essence of human ambition, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of innovation that define our species. By masterfully orchestrating this controlled soft landing, the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO has firmly positioned itself at the forefront of space exploration, cementing its status as a trailblazer among nations engaged in interplanetary endeavours. This success marks a transformative moment not only for India but for the global scientific community, showcasing the power of vision, dedication and cutting-edge technology. Stepping back in time, the Chandrayaan project embarked on its odyssey in 2008, marking a seminal moment in India's space journey. This ambitious mission heralded a new era of lunar research and discovery, setting the stage for a series of groundbreaking revelations. The first spacecraft in the Chandrayaan series ignited hopes and aspirations as it delivered India's maiden foray to the moon, mapping its surface and uncovering critical data that reshaped our understanding of Earth's celestial companion. Chandrayaan-I's success was followed by Chandrayaan-2, which further expanded the scope of exploration by deploying a lunar orbiter and attempting a soft landing, though the landing module faced challenges. However, these early missions laid the foundation for the remarkable achievements of Chandrayaan-3, embodying the lessons learned and technological advances accrued over more than a decade, represents the culmination of relentless scientific endeavour. Its successful soft landing is a testament to ISRO's commitment to pushing boundaries and embracing the complexities of space travel. This achievement echoes the pioneering spirit of past explorers who dared to venture beyond the known, driven by curiosity and an insatiable quest for knowledge. The mission not only advances lunar science but also inspires a generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. It serves as a beacon of possibility, proving that with determination and ingenuity, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. As Chandrayaan-3 continues its journey, it carries with it the hopes of a nation and the aspirations of humanity to unlock the moon's secrets. Secrets that hold keys to understanding planetary evolution, potential resources, and the broader mysteries of the cosmos. In this grand narrative of exploration, India's pioneering lunar mission stands as a shining chapter, a bold testament to human perseverance and the unyielding spirit of discovery that propels us to the stars. Chandrayaan-I marked an unprecedented leap forward in lunar exploration with its groundbreaking discovery of water molecules on the Moon's surface. This watershed moment not only revolutionized our understanding of the Moon, but also fundamentally altered the trajectory of space exploration. Prior to this discovery, the Moon was largely considered a barren, desolate world, devoid of the key elements that might support life or long-term human presence. However, the confirmation of water, even in trace amounts, unlocked new possibilities that extended far beyond the scientific community. It raised profound questions about the Moon's formation, its geological evolution, and the potential for sustaining future human colonies. This discovery sparked a renaissance in lunar science, with nations around the world redoubling their efforts to study and explore the Moon. It underscored the Moon's potential not only as a scientific laboratory, but also as a strategic waypoint for humanity's deeper ventures into the solar system. Water ice, particularly in permanently shadowed craters near the lunar poles, could serve as a critical resource for life support, fuel production, and other essential needs for sustained space missions. Thus, Chandrayaan-I's legacy transcended the realm of discovery to become a cornerstone of future space exploration planning. Building upon these revelations, Chandrayaan-2 expanded the scope of lunar investigation, deploying an orbiter, a lander, and a rover designed to perform a wide array of scientific experiments. Despite the tragic loss of the Vikram lander during its attempted soft landing, the mission yielded valuable orbital data that enhanced our understanding of the Moon's surface composition, mineralogy, and the intricate dynamics of its tenuous exosphere. This mission reaffirmed India's resolve and technical capability in the fiercely competitive arena of space exploration. Now Chandrayaan-3 emerges as a bold continuation and evolution of India's lunar aspirations. It embodies the lessons learned, the technological advancements achieved, and the unwavering commitment to pushing the frontiers of knowledge. This mission's ambitious objective, to achieve a successful controlled soft landing and deploy a rover on the lunar surface, represents a crucial step forward not just for India, but for humanity's collective quest to comprehend the cosmos. The scientific goals of Chandrayaan-3 are multifaceted and profoundly significant. It aims to map the lunar surface in unprecedented detail, focusing particularly on the polar regions, where water ice is believed to be concentrated. Understanding the distribution, abundance, and state of lunar water is vital for future in-situ resource utilization, ISRU, which will be essential for establishing sustainable human presence on the Moon and beyond. Furthermore, Chandrayaan-3 will investigate the Moon's geology, seismic activity, and the interaction of solar radiation with the lunar environment, areas that remain shrouded in mystery despite decades of study. Technologically, Chandrayaan-3 represents a marvel of engineering innovation. The mission integrates state-of-the-art navigation, autonomous landing systems, and advanced scientific instrumentation designed to operate in the Moon's harsh and unforgiving environment. Its success will demonstrate not only India's growing prowess in space technology, but also its ability to collaborate globally, sharing data, expertise, and insights with international space agencies to foster a cooperative approach to exploring our celestial neighbour. On a broader scale, Chandrayaan-3 symbolizes the spirit of human curiosity and perseverance that drives our species to explore the unknown. It is a testament to the power of innovation, the importance of international cooperation, and the unyielding desire to push beyond the limits of our current knowledge. As the mission unfolds, it promises to yield discoveries that could redefine our understanding of the Moon and its role in the solar system, offering clues about the origins of Earth and the early history of our cosmic neighbourhood. Moreover, Chandrayaan-2's success would inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers and dreamers, not only in India but across the globe, fueling ambitions that transcend national borders and unite humanity in the shared pursuit of knowledge and exploration. It stands as a beacon of hope and progress, illuminating the path toward a future where humans might one day live and thrive beyond Earth. In conclusion, Chandrayaan-3 is far more than a technological mission. It is a narrative of discovery, resilience and aspiration. It continues the story that began with the discovery of lunar water, unfolding new chapters that promise to deepen our connection with the Moon and, by extension, the universe itself. As we eagerly anticipate the data and images this mission will deliver, we stand on the threshold of a new era in space exploration, one defined by courage, collaboration, and the boundless potential of human ingenuity. The Chandrayaan-3 mission embarks on a profoundly ambitious journey to unravel the intricate tapestry of the Moon's ancient past. With scientific rigor and technological prowess, this mission is designed to meticulously dissect the layers of lunar history, aiming to tease apart the complex threads of the Moon's evolution and formation. By doing so, it aspires to offer unprecedented insights into the early dynamics of our solar system, helping humanity to reconstruct the cosmic events that led to the birth of planetary bodies and the sculpting of their geological identities. At its core, Chandrayaan-3 is not merely an exploration of barren rock and dust. It represents a voyage into the very origins of our celestial companion, a quest to comprehend the forces that have shaped its surface over billions of years. By studying impact craters, volcanic formations, and the chemical composition of lunar soils and rocks, scientists hope to uncover clues about the Moon's internal structure and thermal history. These insights will, in turn, enhance our understanding of planetary formation, the history of cosmic bombardments, and the subtle interplay between celestial bodies within our solar system. However, the scope of Chandrayaan-3 extends beyond pure geology into the tantalizing realm of astrobiology. One of the mission's most groundbreaking ambitions lies in assessing the Moon's capacity to support life, a pursuit that pushes the boundaries of scientific inquiry and challenges the traditional view of the lunar environment as utterly inhospitable. Although the Moon's surface is exposed to harsh radiation, extreme temperature fluctuations, and a near vacuum, recent discoveries, such as the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters, have opened new windows of possibility. Chandrayaan-3 seeks to delve deeper beneath the Moon's surface, probing for microscopic life forms or biosignatures that may have survived or been preserved within the subsurface environment. The mission's sophisticated instruments are designed to analyze lunar rocks and soil samples with unprecedented precision, searching for organic compounds, isotopic anomalies, or mineralogical evidence that could point toward past or present life. Such a discovery would not only revolutionize our understanding of life's resilience, but also radically alter our conception of where life can exist in the universe. A key aspect of this mission involves the detailed examination of lunar craters, which serve as natural archives of cosmic history. These impact sites have, over eons, collected and preserved materials from various regions of the Moon and even from other celestial bodies. By studying these craters, Chandrayaan-E scientists aim to reconstruct the Moon's bombardment history, understand the distribution of water and volatile elements, and assess how these factors might influence the potential habitability of certain lunar regions. Moreover, Chandrayaan-3's comprehensive survey of the lunar surface encompasses the analysis of moon rocks brought back by previous missions, as well as fresh samples studied in situ by onboard instruments. This multifaceted approach aims to map out the Moon's geochemical and mineralogical diversity, which is essential for identifying regions of interest for future human habitation and resource utilization. Understanding the distribution of essential elements like hydrogen, oxygen, and metals could pave the way for establishing sustainable lunar bases and advancing humanity's long-term presence beyond Earth. By venturing into these uncharted territories, Chandrayaan III does more than expand our scientific knowledge. It inspires a profound philosophical and existential reflection on humanity's place in the cosmos. The mission embodies the spirit of exploration, innovation, and international collaboration, reflecting a global yearning to push the boundaries of the known and embrace the mysteries that lie beyond our home planet. In conclusion, the Chandrayaan-3 mission stands as a beacon of human perseverance and curiosity, a monumental leap forward in our ongoing quest to comprehend the Moon and its secrets. Through its groundbreaking objectives, ranging from decoding the Moon's ancient geological past to probing its potential for life, it promises to transform our understanding of the lunar environment and, by extension, the broader universe. As this odyssey unfolds, it invites us all to imagine a future where the Moon is not just a distant orb in the night sky, but a dynamic world teeming with secrets, waiting to be unveiled by the relentless human spirit of discovery. Through meticulous examinations and advanced scientific investigations, Chandrayaan-3 endeavours to answer some of the most profound and age-old questions about the Moon's potential to support life. By probing beneath its surface and analysing its geological and environmental characteristics, this mission seeks to fundamentally redefine our understanding of habitability beyond Earth. It challenges long-standing assumptions about the harshness of the lunar environment and explores whether the Moon could in fact harbour the essential conditions necessary for sustaining human life, or even simpler forms of biological existence. The audacious dream of establishing permanent human colonies on the Moon has long tantalized humanity's collective imagination. For decades, the notion of lunar settlements has inspired countless scientists, engineers, and visionaries who see the Moon as both a stepping stone and a sanctuary for the future of human civilization. With Chandrayaan-3, this once distant and speculative vision edges closer to tangible reality. Through a comprehensive suite of scientific instruments and sensors, the mission conducts intricate assessments of lunar temperatures, radiation levels, regolith composition, and surface stability. These data points are critical in identifying regions that offer the most favorable environmental conditions for human habitation. The ISRO's calculated pursuit of suitable locations for human settlement is a crucial step in ensuring that future astronauts can live and work safely on the lunar surface. Factors such as prolonged sunlight exposure, availability of water ice, and minimal exposure to harmful cosmic radiation are carefully evaluated. By pinpointing optimal sites that combine these favorable conditions and ultimately permanent lunar bases, these colonies could serve as hubs for scientific research, resource extraction, and even interplanetary travel, transforming the Moon from a remote celestial body into a vibrant outpost of human activity. Furthermore, the mission's findings on the Moon's environmental dynamics will inform the development of advanced technologies needed to sustain life in this challenging extraterrestrial setting. Innovations in habitat construction, life support systems, and resource recycling will benefit from the detailed environmental data gathered by Chandrayaan. This endeavour not only represents a triumph of engineering and scientific ingenuity, but also embodies humanity's relentless spirit of exploration and survival. In essence, Chandrayaan-3 stands as a milestone in humanity's quest to extend its reach beyond Earth's cradle. By illuminating the possibilities of lunar habitability, it fuels hope that one day humans will thrive not just on our home planet, but across the wider cosmos. As we inch closer to making the dream of lunar colonization a reality, Chandrayaan-3 serves as both a beacon and a bridge, connecting the dreams of today with the achievements of tomorrow. This mission exemplifies humanity's unwavering determination to extend our presence beyond Earth, echoing the tenacity and spirit of discovery that has driven explorers and pioneers throughout history. Chandrayaan-3 is not merely a technological endeavour, it embodies the relentless pursuit of knowledge and the innate curiosity that propels us to push past known frontiers and embrace the unknown. At the heart of Chandrayaan-3's scientific pursuits lies one of its most remarkable instruments, the radio anatomy of moon-bound, hypersensitive ionosphere and atmosphere, or RAMBAR payload. This sophisticated and highly sensitive instrument is engineered to unveil the subtle and complex intricacies of the Moon's tenuous atmosphere. Though the lunar atmosphere is incredibly thin compared to Earth's, understanding its composition, density, and behavior is crucial for grasping the environmental conditions that prevail on our closest celestial neighbour. RAMBA's primary mission is to measure the density of charged particles and monitor their temporal fluctuations with unprecedented precision. These charged particles interact with solar radiation and cosmic phenomena, creating dynamic patterns within the Moon's ionosphere, patterns that remain largely mysterious to scientists. By studying these phenomena in depth, RAMBA promises to revolutionize our understanding of the Moon's atmospheric dynamics. The insights gleaned could shed light on processes that have implications not only for lunar science, but also for broader planetary atmospheres and space weather interactions. The revelations from RAMBA will contribute to a more comprehensive comprehension of this enigmatic celestial body, enriching our understanding of how the Moon's environment responds to solar activity and cosmic forces. Such knowledge is vital for future manned missions, ensuring astronauts are better prepared for the challenges posed by the lunar environment. Complementing these scientific breakthroughs, the recent release of mesmerizing images captured by Chandrayaan-3 as it embarked on its lunar journey is nothing short of awe-inspiring. These stunning visual documentations of the mission's progress serve as a poignant reminder of humanity's shared aspirations and collective ingenuity. Each image captures a moment in a venture that represents not just a technological feat, but a symbol of hope, ambition, and the unyielding human spirit. Together, the scientific and visual achievements of Chandrayaan-3 stand as a testament to the power of collaboration, innovation, and perseverance. They remind us that while the Moon may be a distant world, it is one that we continue to approach with reverence, curiosity, and a boundless desire to explore. Through missions like Chandrayaan-3, humanity writes a new chapter in the ongoing saga of cosmic exploration, one where every discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. The indomitable spirit of humanity, coupled with its ability to transcend boundaries in the relentless pursuit of knowledge, shines brilliantly through the Chandrayaan narrative, though marked by numerous accomplishments, has not been without its share of challenges and setbacks. The Chandrayaan-2 mission in particular brought a bittersweet moment for the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, and space enthusiasts worldwide. The loss of the Vikram lander during its critical descent to the lunar surface was a stark reminder of the immense difficulties and unpredictability inherent in space exploration. Yet, rather than deterring the mission or dimming the aspirations of Indian scientists and engineers, this setback galvanized ISRO's resolve. It became a catalyst for introspection, innovation, and renewed determination to learn from past experiences, paving the way for more refined strategies and heightened success in future missions. However, the journey of Chandrayaan has not been free from critique. A discernible voice of skepticism has emerged, questioning the financial investment allocated to space programs in the face of pressing socio-economic challenges on Earth. Critics argue that the vast resources funneled into space exploration might be better spent addressing immediate issues such as poverty, healthcare, and education. This debate, though valid in its concerns, overlooks the multifaceted benefits that space science brings, not only in advancing technology and scientific understanding, but also in inspiring generations, fostering international cooperation and driving economic growth through innovation. In response, proponents highlight that the Chandrayaan missions serve as a beacon of national pride and a testament to India's technological prowess. The spin-offs from space technology often translate into tangible improvements in communication, disaster management, environmental monitoring, and many other sectors critical to societal development. Moreover, the scientific knowledge gleaned from lunar exploration feeds into our broader understanding of planetary science, the origins of the solar system, and even the conditions necessary for life. Ultimately, the story of Chandrayaan is more than a chronicle of technological feats. It is a narrative of resilience, vision, and the unyielding quest to push humanity's horizons. It invites us to appreciate that while the road to the stars may be fraught with obstacles, each step forward enriches the collective human experience and sets the stage for future generations to dream even bigger. The debate surrounding space exploration often intensifies when weighed against competing societal needs. Critics argue that the substantial resources dedicated to missions like Chandrayaan-3 could instead be redirected to address more immediate concerns, such as improving education, enhancing transportation infrastructure, or alleviating poverty. These voices emphasize the importance of prioritizing urgent terrestrial challenges, suggesting that the allocation of funds towards space projects might be seen as a luxury in the face of pressing social demands. Despite these reservations, the broader public sentiment largely embraces space exploration as a powerful symbol of human progress, intellectual curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. For many, ventures into the cosmos are not mere scientific endeavors, they represent humanity's enduring spirit to push boundaries, discover the unknown, and inspire future generations. However, the intersection of space exploration and public discourse is not without its complexities and controversies. A notable incident involving a university lecturer who faced disciplinary action for publicly expressing skepticism about the success of Chandrayaan-3 brought these tensions into sharp relief. This episode highlighted the intricate balance between freedom of expression and the pursuit of national objectives, in the context of high-profile scientific missions. It raised critical questions about how dissenting voices are managed, especially when they challenge projects deemed vital to national pride, technological advancement, and international standing. This delicate interplay between critique and support reflects the broader challenges faced by societies as they navigate the dual imperatives of fostering open dialogue and rallying collective effort behind endeavours with far-reaching implications for society, economics, and technological innovation. It underscores the necessity of cultivating a space for informed debate while also recognizing the strategic importance of scientific achievements that elevate a nation's stature on the global stage. As Chandrayaan-3 progresses in its mission, its significance transcends far beyond the mere visual spectacle of its lunar approach. This mission marks a groundbreaking departure from previous lunar explorations, boldly venturing into uncharted territory by targeting a landing near the Moon's south pole, a region characterized by extreme temperatures, prolonged periods of darkness, and unique geological features largely unexplored until now. This audacious leap into the unknown reflects not only a technical feat, but also a profound expansion of humanity's quest to understand the cosmos. The south pole of the Moon is a realm of stark contrasts, where some crater floors remain in perpetual shadow, potentially harbouring reservoirs of water ice, an invaluable resource for future lunar settlements and a key to unlocking the Moon's secrets. By focusing its efforts on this enigmatic region, Chandrayaan-3 challenges conventional wisdom and reshapes our collective perception of space exploration, moving the endeavour from broad reconnaissance to targeted investigation of high scientific value. Amidst the captivating imagery and ambitious goals of the mission lies an even more profound question that has intrigued scientists and philosophers alike for centuries. Does life, in any form, exist beyond Earth? The tantalizing possibility of water on the lunar surface, initially hinted at by Chandrayaan-I and later reinforced by subsequent missions, kindles hope that the Moon, despite its harsh and inhospitable environment, might host the conditions necessary to sustain life, or at least preserve its chemical precursors. Chandrayaan-3's meticulous scientific investigations focus intently on probing this possibility. Equipped with advanced instruments, the mission undertakes a comprehensive analysis of the lunar surface's mineral composition, temperature variations, and the presence of volatiles such as water ice. By studying craters, rocks, and the subtle traces of the Moon's geological history, the mission aspires to piece together the intricate puzzle of the Moon's evolution and its potential to harbour microscopic life forms or organic compounds. Beyond the scientific ambitions, Chandrayaan-3 also symbolizes humanity's enduring aspiration to extend our footprint beyond Earth. Its focus on the South Pole is crucial for identifying potential sites for future human habitation, locations where access to water ice and manageable temperatures might one day sustain lunar colonies. This bold endeavour exemplifies the unyielding determination of humankind to explore, innovate and survive in environments once thought utterly inhospitable. Moreover, embedded within Chandrayaan-3's scientific pursuits is the radioanatomy of moon-bound hypersensitive ionosphere and atmosphere payload. This sophisticated instrument is designed to shed new light on the Moon's tenuous atmosphere by measuring the density and temporal fluctuations of charged particles. Insights from Rambra promise to revolutionize our understanding of the Moon's atmospheric dynamics, adding yet another layer to our knowledge of this enigmatic celestial neighbor. As Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft gracefully enters lunar orbit, the world watches in awe, witnessing a landmark achievement that marks India's growing prominence in the global space arena. The mission's success not only cements India's status as a trailblazer in space exploration, but also ignites a renewed sense of wonder and possibility for all humanity. Yet, the Chandrayaan saga is not without its challenges. The bitter disappointment of Chandrayaan-2's Vikram lander loss during descent was a stark reminder of the unpredictability and peril inherent in space exploration. However, rather than dampening spirits, this setback galvanized ISRO's resolve, inspiring the team to learn, innovate, and chart an even more ambitious course toward future success. Despite the overwhelming excitement and pride surrounding Chandrayaan-3, the mission has not escaped scrutiny. Critics question the allocation of significant resources to space exploration amid urgent societal needs like education, healthcare, and infrastructure. This ongoing debate reflects the broader tension between investing in visionary scientific endeavours and addressing immediate human concerns. A balance that each nation must navigate thoughtfully. In this context, Chandrayaan-3 stands as a beacon of human ingenuity, perseverance, and the insatiable curiosity that drives us to reach for the stars. It embodies the spirit of exploration that has propelled humanity forward throughout history and offers a powerful reminder that the quest for knowledge often requires bold leaps into the unknown. As Chandrayaan-3 unfolds its scientific journey, it invites us to imagine a future where humanity's presence extends beyond Earth's cradle, where lunar colonies may become realities, and where the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood continue to inspire and challenge us. The mission's triumphs and trials alike enrich our shared story of discovery, innovation, and the enduring human spirit. The investigations undertaken by Chandrayaan-3 carry the profound potential to fundamentally rewrite the narrative of habitability beyond Earth. They invite humanity to expand its imagination, to envision new possibilities for the existence of life in the vast expanse of the cosmos. By probing the Moon's mysteries with unprecedented precision, Chandrayaan-3 challenges long-held assumptions about where life might thrive, encouraging us to rethink the potential for habitability not just on our celestial neighbour, but across the universe. The saga of Chandrayaan's evolution is ultimately a story of resilience, perseverance, and visionary determination. Each phase of the mission builds upon the achievements and lessons of its predecessors, marching steadily toward an exciting horizon filled with promise and new prospects for humanity's future in space. As Chandrayaan-3 continues to blaze new trails, it sets the stage for forthcoming endeavours. Chandrayaan-4, Chandrayaan-5, and beyond. Missions destined to deepen our understanding of the Moon's enigmatic terrains and the untapped potential they hold for humankind's exploration and perhaps even settlement. Chandrayaan-3 is far more than a scientific mission. It is a resounding testament to human innovation, grit, and the insatiable quest for knowledge. Its journey reflects the collective aspirations of a species driven by curiosity and a yearning to transcend earthly boundaries. As the story of this mission unfolds, it invites us all to ponder our place within the cosmos, our role in the grand cosmic narrative, and to dream boldly of the boundless possibilities that lie beyond the familiar confines of Earth. In this grand voyage of exploration, Chandrayaan-3 shines brightly as a beacon of hope, a symbol of progress and a harbinger of transformative potential. It embodies the spirit of discovery that propels humanity forward and signals a future where our reach extends far beyond our home planet. With every new revelation, Chandrayaan-3 brings us closer to realizing the dreams of interplanetary exploration and the hopeful prospect of a multiplanetary civilization. In closing, Chandrayaan-3's mission stands as a powerful embodiment of human endeavor. A tribute to our creativity, perseverance, and unyielding curiosity. It calls upon us to embrace the unknown with open minds and hearts, to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible, and to prepare for a future where humanity's destiny is intricately woven into the fabric of the cosmos. Chandrayaan-3 stands not only as a monumental achievement in the annals of space exploration, but also as a profound symbol of humanity's enduring aspiration, a celebration of scientific progress and an inspiring harbinger of a future where the moon's deepest mysteries unfold before our very eyes. Each discovery made by this remarkable mission, every breathtaking image captured, and each groundbreaking revelation reaffirms our collective dedication to the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It is through this unwavering commitment that we continue the awe-inspiring journey that propels humanity ever onward toward the stars. As Chandrayaan-3 navigates its lunar odyssey, it carries with it the hopes and dreams of millions across the globe, reminding us that we are united in our quest to push beyond the limits of our understanding. The mission is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, collaboration, and the indomitable spirit that drives us to explore the unknown realms of our solar system. With every milestone achieved, Chandrayaan-3 ignites a spark of inspiration that transcends borders and generations, fueling the collective imagination and sparking new possibilities for scientific discovery. Looking ahead, we stand on the precipice of a future brimming with limitless potential, a future in which humanity's reach extends far beyond the confines of our home planet. The moon, once merely a distant celestial object admired from afar, is rapidly transforming into a gateway to the wider cosmos. Chandrayaan-3's mission serves as a vital step in this grand transformation, unlocking secrets that bring us closer to understanding not only the moon's origin and evolution, but also the broader story of our solar system and our place within it. The cosmos beckons with open arms, inviting us to explore its vast expanse, to unravel its mysteries, and to seek answers to the questions that have long captivated human curiosity. It is in the pursuit of the known, pushing the boundaries of science, technology, and human endeavor, that our collective imagination finds its greatest expression. Chandrayaan-3 embodies this spirit, reminding us that the quest for knowledge is an infinite journey, one that transcends generations and empowers us to dream beyond what was once thought possible. In this unfolding saga, Chandrayaan-3 is more than a mission. It is a beacon of hope, a symbol of progress, and a powerful reminder that the future is ours to shape. As we eagerly anticipate the treasures this mission will unveil, we are inspired to look to the stars with renewed wonder and determination, confident that the journey ahead will lead to discoveries that will forever change our understanding of the universe and ourselves.